I made a video on this once before. I made it way too complicated. I'm going to do this over, and it should take you 1 minute after you watch this video. This is the waveguide cover from the inside of a Whirlpool microwave. This is very standard across probably all microwaves, by the way. This is the one that's damaged, and you can see that it's basically just melted. I think with all the microwaves coming out, it just melts. That's the replacement. Came in that plastic. All you really need, I brought out a screwdriver. I wound up using a butter knife, bread knife, because it was that easy. Basically, you're just removing this piece from the roof of the microwave and sliding this in. You can see the way it works are there are two tabs that slide into slots, and then there are two other tabs that you snap up into the roof of the unit. To get this off, all I did was imagine that this is well, I'll do it like this. Imagine this is the roof of the microwave up here, and this is pointing down. I simply took the knife and slid it in. It was actually pretty tight, but I slid it in and then just maneuver it, and you'll hear a snapping sound, and what that is these two tabs are snapping off into the roof of the microwave. I've done this once before, so I've got two sets of tabs up there, and I haven't found any problem with that. I think they just sit up there on the metal roof of the microwave, bothering no one. And then you simply put these two tabs into the slot in the back of the unit, like this. Slide them in, and then push, and your waveform unit is installed. It really is that simple. So let me just go see if I can do it over here. So there's my microwave. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. I think I probably will fail at doing it. But let's see. I'm just going to zoom in so I can see what I'm dealing with here. Yeah, there are the two slots. I'll see if I can get the tabs up there. Good. Okay, let me zoom back. It's a little shaky here, but you get the idea. And there are the two vertical tabs that just go in, and that's it. Like, that is so simple. They make it harder than it needs to be. What I did, I wound up, before I took the whole thing out, I took the roof off. I was trying to do it really neatly, and I was never actually able to successfully do that. So I wound up breaking the tabs at the end. So there you go. Good luck, and hope it works.